Welcome to Hema Pharmacy. In today's class, I am going to explain about the Epixo project, which is related to which is involved in the medical coding project. That is Epixo, and I am going to explain about this class is continued to the Epixo project, part 2. Okay. Secondary identifiers are used to identify the acceptable types of medical records. Okay, today's class is we are discussed about the provider types like in the last video. In this video, I am going to explain about the embedded diagnostics. Okay, in this embedded diagnostics, there are secondary identifiers are used to identify the acceptable type of medical records. The HCC may not be coded only from the diagnostic test because the rendering provider of note must be addressed to the specific condition. The actual condition can be provided by the provider. Provider means who is nothing but the physician or doctor. Okay, and we are discussed about the face-to-face provider, physician face-to-face, hospital inpatient sitting, hospital outpatient sitting. Okay, and then flag concept. Next concept is the flag concept. What is the flag concept? This is not related to the flag which is Indian flag. This is related to the flag concept which is related to the medical coding is unsupported condition and unspecified or unlinked condition. These unspecified or unsupported condition and unlinked conditions are known as the flag conditions or flag concept. Okay, F7 flag is coded as the for the unsupported condition, and F11 flag is coded for the unlinked condition. Here some chronic conditions are there, some actual acute conditions are given. You can see in this video substantiations is the major topic, and it is very important for the medical coding who is going to be code the codings by the coders. Okay, and chronic condition, while it is big chronic condition, we can code it as a Y, and unchronic or non-chronic can be denoted as a N. Chronic condition is denoted as a Y and non-chronic is denoted as a Y. Non-chronic condition denoted as N, chronic condition is denoted as Y. Okay, here I am going to provide this table. This is chronic condition which is denoted by Y. Here the active headers can be accepted directly, and non-chronic condition the active headers are accepted directly. When it comes to the past header, there is unlinked medication will be given, so that's why we need the support. So there is no support will be there, then that code can be rejected, and you can easily understandable by these codes. And HX chronic is the history chronic, and no support will be given in the active headers. And unlinked medication which is and when it comes to the punctuations, the punctuations are also called as colons, parentheses, which is nothing but the brackets. Okay, the code can be given in the brackets, then it will be specified with these brackets. And unspecified codes, some other codes and unspecified codes are given in the ICD-10 book because they need some specifications. Like I already told that placeholder character, for example, which is nothing but X, because we have to need some extra characters into the code, then these unspecified codes are given. In these unspecified codes, insufficient assigns are given to code the specific. And includes and excludes. Includes, first of all, these excludes are divided into two types, divided into two categories. They are exclude 1 and exclude 2. In exclude 1, the codes are not coded, but the two conditions cannot occur together in this exclude 1. The two conditions cannot occur together and they are unrelated to each other, that is occur in the exclude 1. In this exclude 1, are you guys understand my? I'll repeat it here. In this exclude 1, the two conditions are cannot occur together. It means they are unrelated to each other. There is no relationship between these two conditions, that is came under the exclude 1. When it comes to the exclude 2, these are not indicate the condition. This didn't indicate the condition in exclude 2. For example, tuberculosis of bones. Okay, the tuberculosis of bones and joints are coded as A18.0. While we are entering into this system,